Our first stock for 2013 is QLOGIC with ticker symbol QLGC. The last quote from December 31st was $9.73. QLOGIC develops high-performance networking components. Their products include delivery adapters, switches, and routers that power data storage and server networks. They have 1,121 employees with the headquarters in Delaware. Some of the financial highlights that we're going to look at, we'll start with the 3-year average price to earnings multiple, which is 10, while the 7-year PE is still an attractive 11.78. The return on equity for QLOGIC is very impressive. 2011, 7.6% return on equity, and you see for the last 5 years here, return on equity has been very good for QLOGIC. The price to book is currently about 1.5, so that also seems to be a reasonable level, especially considering these return on equity numbers here. The asset to liabilities ratio is also very strong, 5.94. Even more impressive, they have currently no long-term debt, so the financial position of QLOGIC looks pretty good. So all of these together seem to indicate that QLOGIC currently provides good value, and there's definitely upward potential, especially considering that the 52-week high was $19, so we're far away from that currently, despite pretty solid performance in the past few years, all positive earnings, and also the return on equity indicates they've been performing well. And as we can see here, the stock has performed quite poorly for the last few months, just recently crossing above the 50-day moving average here, the blue line, and consolidating a little, but I definitely think this is a interesting stock and a good opportunity to consider for 2013. That sums it up for this edition. Remember to check for the next post at the address seen here. Thanks. Bye.